Can I work here?
Okay.
You ordered the pizza combo?
Just give me the pizza!
Well, that was awkward. Wait a damn minute! He didn't give my tip! Did you order the all-meat pizza?
I don't have any money, so there's only one way I can pay you.
God forgive me.
Do you want $10,000 or the keys to this house?
Just give me the house keys.